Let me share with you one of my favourite recipes from home in Scotland, which is perfect for a drizzly, wet and cold autumn day, and that is mince and tatties. My husband's grandma used to make this for us every Sunday. It's super easy to make and I think it's quite good for you and delicious. To make mince and tatties, you need a chopped up onion, 2 or 3 chopped up carrots, some ground beef mince, some potatoes, some form of beef stock. I'm using gravy granules. You could also do like bouillon cubes and some Worcestershire sauce. Both of these you can find in my Amazon storefront if you're looking for them. Add some oil to a big pan, and that's where we're gonna add our vegetables, our onions and our carrots, and we're gonna brown them. Whilst that's browning away, you can prepare your potatoes. I think I'm just gonna boil my potatoes tonight and have them on the side. You could also make mashed potatoes, which is really good. Okay, now that's browned off a wee bit, I'm gonna add my mince, just pop it in. Once your beef has browned, you then want to add 400 millilitres of your beef stock or your Bisto gravy, and then 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. A great thing to have with mince and tatties is peas. For some reason I don't have any peas, so I'm gonna make some broccoli just to make it a little bit more healthy. I've got my potatoes, my broccoli, and my double helping of mince and tatties because I deserve it. And oh, I just feel so nostalgic and so happy all of a sudden. Please let me know if you make it. Enjoy. Add salt and pepper and things. Season it, season it.